Menteri Rangba ke sorkar jela ukon rat ke sangma ni ke sngi dawai pejba u ya commission 1000 days wo yarap yo penyo ye baam wate ye do ipran nadooh wadang kha ye khonboo neibynta ki 6000 sngi ki wm kam bha yo he usan ki khna lengba ka ni daw yarap le ya ka bay nadooh pun khon hadu wakha ka wadaw pangkre kam daki wabun ki chnat sorkar he ya khmat ka mikhalya human development council dewa ye embenta ki chnat kam ka social welfare health and family welfare community and rural development msrls/sres education wa planning ukonrat hawa ye kalam da ong wana do wachim ktiu house nem arajar khat phra kawi kawa khmat do wachim khiau to yo penduna ye yap ki man bay he por wa kha khon kamju ki khonboo we hakilis nem wada lai da ye wo penduna ye ni da san phau percent we ka thong gat te to yo penduna chu chu dan ru phau hadu nya phau percent do ong le wachaki thaw wa palat sor nei daw wa le ka do kodung em ki man bay ki wada hab wo sedang lai kre du hadin chi banai ar banai wa kha khon han lam em kwa ki wo i ye khon klem da pai tangwam em lat ki devi kamte ka sorkar le da thu ko gi lat wo i kerchan ya kam ki ni ki man bay da penti bu wa nei benta ka ni commission 1000 days da bo bha chispa ar phau nya klur nei liang usampat kumar additional chief secretary and development commissioner ka sorkar jilla da ongu wa hadu wadap ki khna arsnem man ipor wa em kam bha u he usan gi deva biang ne bha ijabin kam wan nyaw phausan phra phau percent to i wa he hai ni ipor kam te da kadaw wa hakini gi 6000 sngi ladam yo ye bam wa biang wa tei daw ta ko ye he isan hadin habon deva banjur wa em kam ye bam wa bhawa miat mto da ki jij bam wam em yarap ye chaj ikhia
Mission 1000 is one of the most important missions that the government has taken up. As you're all aware that as part of our Mission 10, which is to take Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy, we had also created 10 opportunities and 10 commitments. Out of the 10 commitments, one of them was nutrition and early childhood development. So keeping in line with that particular commitment to the people and to the state, we have launched the Mission 1000. The objective of this mission is very simple. We have realized and we have seen that there is a huge nutritional issue which leads to stunting and malnutrition in a large number of children at the grassroots level. And with the help of experts from different parts of the world and different parts of the country, we have been able to assess some basic steps and measures which can be taken in order to reduce to a very large extent the cases of stunting and malnutrition in our state. And based on that, we have worked out a module and the different pillars, different actions that need to be taken. Some of them are very simple, like the breastfeeding that the mothers must do, how they must do it, how long they must do it, and so on and so forth in terms of the food, what mix of food the child should be given, what food should be avoided to the child. Very, very simple steps that are worked out. And we would like to see that the entire society and community would come together in order for us to be able to implement these steps. And of course, the government is going to support financially to ensure that we're able to implement those steps. And we will adapt as we move along, because there is no perfect solution when it comes to situations like these. We will adapt, we will learn, we will improve and introduce new steps if necessary, and expand the steps which are successful and maybe stop programs that are not successful. But at the end of the day, our goal is to see that there should not be a single child who is stunted and a single child who is malnutrition. So that is really what the mission is, and we hope that the entire society, and when I say society, I mean the government, the departments, the different headmen, traditional heads, different faith-based organizations, different NGOs, civil society, and also different hospitals as well as different private sector. We all need to come together to make this particular mission a success.
So considering that our state has a very huge population of youth, so how do you see this? Because there will be so many young mothers.
That is precisely the point. That if you see the overall population trend and the birth rate, the fertility rate in our state, it's very high. So hence, we need to invest more on our youth, and we need to invest more on the early childhood stage of our children, so that in the later stage of their life, they are much more healthier. As we know that the first 1,000 days, why is this called Mission 1000? It's called Mission 1000 because the first 1,000 days, from the point of conception to the point that the child is 1,000 days old or 2 years old, this entire process of giving attention is very, very important. And that's why we've come out with a specific mission mode program to implement this thought process. And I'm hopeful that with everyone's support, we'll succeed in this. Thank you so much.